Hi, I want to show you my Hamilton Beach juicer. This has an 800 watt motor. It has the little container that will catch the juice. It also, on the back end, has a nice big container that will catch all the leftover fruit vegetable things. And not only that, but this is all dishwasher safe. If you get ready to clean it when you're all done, you're going to pop the little pieces on each side, pull it down, pull this off, stick this in the dishwasher. It has a nice 3-inch hole so that you can fit most fruits and vegetables down in there. You can also pull this piece off, put it in the dishwasher, wash it up, and here is your stainless steel that is going to chop up the fruit, the vegetables, whatever. The bottom down here is extremely sharp. It's got the sharp little nubs, so be very careful when you're washing it that you don't run across those. So it all goes back together nice. This way you can have your fruit juice, vegetable juice, whatever, without all the added sugars and preservatives. So I'm going to grab some fruit and I'm going to show you how this works. All right, so I have some apples. I have cut them in quarters. I also have some big, dark, juicy grapes, and this is fairly loud. I also have on a mic right here, so you're standing right next to it, but we're going to turn it on. It only has an on and off, and we are going to get this fruit party started. Great. And as you can see, it just takes a minute or two and you have a glass of fresh juice. You've got the juice out front here. Yeah, it was sliding around a little bit because I've got it on this slick table. And you've got all of your leftover, not so desirable things back here. You can do your fruits, your vegetables, whatever you want. Fresh juice.